The Enforcement Directorate on Wednesday raided the residences of former Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan in Kannur and Thiruvananthapuram in connection with the alleged Cochin Minerals and Rutile Limited Exalogic payoff case involving his daughter T. Veena. Searches were conducted at 12 locations across Kerala, including the Kozhikode residence of former Tourism Minister P.A. Mohammad Riaz, who is the husband of T. Veena, and properties linked to promoters of CMRL. The raids were carried out hours after the Kerala High Court allowed the ED to proceed with its money laundering investigation into allegations that Exalogic Solutions received monthly retainers from CMRL between 2017 to 2021 without allegedly providing substantial services. ED officials, accompanied by Central Industrial Security Force personnel, barricaded the premises, including Vijayan's residence in Bakery Junction in Thiruvananthapuram, while protests were reported outside the house. The High Court also dismissed CMRL's plea to quash the case and directed company officials to appear before the ED. The agency stated that its investigation was independent of the earlier probe conducted by the Serious Fraud Investigation Office, which questioned Veena in New Delhi in the year 2025. Pinarayi Vijayan and T. Veena have denied any wrongdoing, stating that the transactions between Exalogic and CMRL were legal, transparent, and carried out through official banking channels with proper tax compliance. The controversy originated from a 2023 finding by the Interim Board for Settlement under the Central Board of Taxes, which raised suspicions over payments made by CMRL to several individuals and entities, including Exalogic Solutions. Authorities suspected the transactions could have been political kickbacks, leading to investigations by the SFIO and the ED. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salah Digital.